Hello. 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 I have a prescription. I have a prescription. I have a prescription. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Here is my ID. Here is my ID. Here is my ID. I need this medicine. I need this medicine. I need this medicine. Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? My name is James. My name is James. My name is James. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a cough. My nose is runny. My nose is runny. My nose is runny. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. I feel weak. I feel weak. I feel weak. My mouth is dry. My mouth is dry. My mouth is dry. Is this safe? Is this safe? Is this safe? How many pills? How many pills? How many pills? When do I take it? When do I take it? When do I take it? How much do I take? How much do I take? How much do I take? Do I take it with food? Do I take it with food? Do I take it with food. It upsets my stomach. It upsets my stomach. It upsets my stomach. Can you explain this? Can you explain this? Can you explain this? I set an alarm. I set an alarm. I set an alarm. I drink water. I drink water. I drink water. How much is it? How much is it? How much is it? I have insurance. I have insurance. I have insurance. I pay by card. I pay by card. I pay by card. Can I have a receipt? Can I have a receipt? Can I have a receipt? Why is it expensive? Why is it expensive? Why is it expensive? Is my name on it? Is my name on it? Is my name on it? Is everything inside? Is everything inside? Is everything inside? Do I need to sign? Do I need to sign? Do I need to sign? I am at home. I am at home. I am at home. I set a reminder. I set a reminder. I set a reminder. I take one pill. I take one pill. I take one pill. I swallow it. I swallow it. I swallow it. I read the label. I read the label. I read the label. I drink warm tea. I drink warm tea. I drink warm tea. I rest now. I rest now. I rest now. I call my doctor. I call my doctor. I call my doctor. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other videos on Easy English Club. See you next time.